Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilette's World. We're going to wash the car. On this video, we are going to attempt to do a quick car wash. It's not gonna be perfect, it's not professional, but it's good enough for an old car. We need a hose, car wash shampoo, vacuum cleaner, a bucket, old clothes for rags, and paper towels. First, we're going to clean and organize inside. Let's get all this stuff out. We will sort out the garbage and essentials once we're done cleaning the inside of the car. Let's vacuum the interior. Rinse the car. Rinse the bucket. We are going to use this car shampoo and conditioner. We're going to pour about a cup full onto this bucket. I'm gonna start on the top. Now we are going to rinse the car. Now we're going to dry the car with some old rags. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.